You finally hit the $25,000 mark. That's a massive milestone. Most people get here and do one of two things. They either blow it on something stupid, or they let it sit in a bank account where inflation slowly rots it away. I'm not here to tell you how to feel wealthy. I'm here to tell you why $25,000 is the exact point where you stop being a saver and start being a target. If you manage this money the same way you managed your first $1,000, you're losing thousands in potential growth every year. Today, I'm breaking down the 3-step system to turn that $25,000 into a wealth-building machine. Before moving to the 3-step system, we have to first understand why your bank account is actually the most dangerous place for your money. Now, everyone says banks offer less interest, so don't keep it in a savings account. And honestly, I am not going to explain that again. Now, that's basic surface-level math that everyone already knows. The real problem is psychological. As long as that money is sitting in a liquid account, your brain treats it like spending money instead of capital. When you see $25,000 on your mobile app, your subconscious relaxes. You get sloppy. You start justifying that upgrade, that impulse buy, or that one-time expense because the money is right there, staring at you. The bank doesn't want you to invest it. They want you to keep it liquid so you can make those small decisions that eventually drain the account. If you want to move to the next level, you have to create friction. You have to take that money out of the spending zone and move it into a utility zone where it can no longer be touched for anything other than growth. You stop being a person with money in the bank and you start becoming an operator with a portfolio of assets. And that shift, that mental switch, is exactly what the system is designed to prevent. Here is how you execute with your specific $25,000. First, the shield, $12,000. You lock this in a high-yield savings account. This is your sleep-at-night money. It sits there strictly for emergencies, so you never have to panic sell your other assets when life throws you a curveball. It's not there to make you rich. It's there to buy you absolute certainty. Second, the engine, $7,000. This goes directly into a low-cost, broad-market index fund. This is the set-it-and-forget-it machine. It is designed to capture market growth while you sleep. The goal here isn't to get rich overnight. It's to leverage the math of compounding so that eventually, this engine makes more money than you do at your day job. Third, the Launchpad, $6,000. This is your advantage money. You use this to level up. Buy a certification, invest in a project, or acquire a new skill that increases your earning power. This is the only money that isn't focused on passive growth. It's focused on exponential income potential. At this stage, your greatest asset isn't just the cash in the bank. It's your ability to earn more. Let's look at the numbers. While your $12,000 in the shield remains your liquid safety net, if you take that $7,000 in the engine and let it compound at a conservative 10% annual return, in just 10 years, that single block grows to over $18,000 without you touching it. But the real gain isn't just the math, it's the momentum. You don't just set it and forget it. Every single year, you contribute just $500 more into that engine. Why $500? Because your income isn't static. As you progress in your career, you'll get salary increments, bonuses, or new opportunities. By committing to this small, consistent increase, you're training your brain to prioritize growth over lifestyle inflation. And the math? It's explosive. When you combine that initial $7,000 with those annual $500 contributions, all compounding at 10%, that total climbs closer to $28,000. You've effectively doubled your initial investment engine by simply adding a marginal amount for a year. That final $6,000 in your Launchpad is your most critical asset. By investing in a high-value skill or a new project, you increase your monthly cash flow. Once you cross this $25,000 mark and get this system running, your entire relationship with money is reborn. You stop working for every dollar, and your dollars start working for you. Thank you for watching. Make sure to comment down your opinion on this split system I explained and subscribe for more such videos.